Hi everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Calculus Guide. In this series we explore limits, derivatives and integrals step by step like a dictionary of rules. Each lesson of this series focuses on a group of related functions, and in this lesson we will see how to differentiate square root of x, cube root of x, and square root of x cube and cube root of x square. Firstly, to take the derivative of a root function, we first rewrite it as a power function. For example, in order to take the derivative square root of x, we first have to write it as x to the power of 1 over 2. Then, to take the derivative of this function, when we take the derivative of all power functions, we first take the exponent as coefficient and subtract 1 from the exponent. So the derivative of x to the power of 1 over 2 is 1 over 2 times x to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1. Then this will become 1 over 2 times x to the power of minus 1 over 2, and this is equal to 1 over 2 times square root of x here. And for the second function, again, you will make always the same thing. To take the derivative of a root function, we first rewrite it as a power function. So cube root of x will be equal to x to the power of 1 over 3. Then take the exponent as coefficient, and this will be equal to 1 over 3 times x to the power of 1 over 3, and then subtract 1 from the exponent. Then it will be 1 over 3 times x to the power of minus 2 over 3, and we can write it as 1 over 3 times cube root of x square. And for the next example, again, we will write this function as a power function, and this is equal to x to the power of 3 over 2. And to take the derivative, firstly, we will take the exponent here as multiplication, and this will be equal to 3 over 2 times x to the power of 3 over 2, and subtract 1 from the exponent. Then this will be equal to 3 over 2 times x to the power of 1 over 2, and this is equal to 3 times square root of x over 2. The derivative is this. For the next function, always we do the same thing. When we take the derivative of any root function, first we rewrite it as a power function, and this will be equal to x to the power of 2 over 3. Then we take the derivative of power function as first we take the exponent as coefficient, and the coefficient will be 2 over 3. Then we subtract 1 from the exponent, and this will be equal to 2 over 3 times x to the power of minus 1 over 3, and this is equal to 2 over 3 times cube root of x. And this was the last example. See you on the next video.